Let's learn the converse of the Pythagorean theorem today. Goals for this lesson. Determine if a triangle is a right triangle using the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Identify the lengths of the sides of a triangle and apply the equation c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Explain why the converse of the Pythagorean theorem is important in geometry. Basic rule. Step 1. Identify the lengths of the three sides of the triangle, A, B, and C, where C is the longest side. Step 2. Square the lengths of sides A and B and add them together to find a squared plus b squared. Step 3. Square the length of side C to find c squared and compare it with a squared plus b squared. If c squared equals a squared plus b squared, then the triangle is a right triangle. Repeat after me. For a triangle with sides 3, 4, and 5, 5 squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. 25 equals 9 plus 16, which is true, so it is a right triangle. For a triangle with sides 6, 8, and 10, 10 squared equals 6 squared plus 8 squared. 100 equals 36 plus 64, which is true, so it is a right triangle. For a triangle with sides 7, 8, and 10, 10 squared equals 7 squared plus 8 squared. 100 equals 49 plus 64, which is false, so it is not a right triangle. Common mistakes include thinking that a triangle with sides 5, 12, and 13 is not a right triangle because 5 plus 12 isn't equal to 13. Assuming that if C is greater than A and C is greater than B, it must be a right triangle without checking a squared plus b squared. Calculating 4 squared plus 3 squared equals 12 instead of 4 squared plus 3 squared equals 25. Correct versions are recognizing that the longest side must be squared and compared to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Verifying calculations step by step to avoid mistakes in addition or squaring. Understanding that the triangle may still be a right triangle even if the sides are not in ascending order. Mini practice. Choose the correct form. 1. For a triangle with sides 5, 12, and 13, is it a right triangle? Option A, yes, or option B, no. Answer option A. 2. For a triangle with sides 9, 12, and 15, is it a right triangle? Option A, yes, or option B, no. Answer option B. 3. For a triangle with sides 8, 15, and 16, is it a right triangle? Option A, yes, or option B, no. Answer option B. Pro tip. Remember, the longest side squared equals the sum of the other two sides squared for it to be a right triangle. Summary. Use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem to check if a triangle is right. Always identify the longest side as C before squaring.